some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember that he's on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple now.
I've been meaning to do this.
Not in,
including you guys.
Not in
Say that.
Well, I'll look a mess in that.
No, it's fine. Not Turkey. Istanbul. No. Say hi.
Just Turkey. Please don't post any of these because I'm being horribly weird.
No, I want to edit this.
You just need to get there though. It's a bit of every time we go and I do this, I always get this panic like, this is it. By the trees with lights, I don't know. We are by some trees with lights. Yeah, but we're by some. We came out of the station and we're by these trees.
Weird.
So clean. Oh my god, the footage is beautiful.
It is. It's really clear. Hi guys. It's lovely, gosh. Come on. Spice That's nice.
So nice. It's so nice. Oh my god, look at the cargo in the background. We don't even know everyone in the UK.
We're in Australia.
That's cargo. I just forgot.
Why are you
2 seconds ago? Short-term memory loss. I'm sorry.
Really?
What, cargo?
Cargo pants.
It's freezing out here, guys. We're here in Canary Wharf. Just finished having. Is it cargos?
We're heading there.
Just finished our dinner.
much you got?
Where are you?
No. Bring it back.
We also have mine.
The pineapple drink again. Such a look.
It's a sparkling liquor, you know.
Yeah.
You did.
Everyone does this.
No.
Do you not do it like that as well?
Yeah, that's what you do.
Yeah, I do it the same way. That's how I do mine as well. I pull them up one by one.
This is how you do it, not there. Okay.
No, this is right.
Sometimes it saves time with this.
Yeah, it does. It does because it takes forever to come out with this part.
No, look at that.
No. It looks cool as shit, that.
It is. But when you see the actual footage, wow. So we're here in Canary Wharf. We're going to Bond Street. How many minutes do we
For
have?
more safety, please use the full length of the platform, and once on board, use all available space.
She doesn't have much of sleep, but look how
I haven't had
energized she
any
is.
sleep.
This lady too.
I need a bed right now.
I don't even know where we're gonna find.
Okay, I will not include that in the vlog. You wanna share? You should.
Bond Street, right? Bond Street.
Elizabeth line really looks like the one in Singapore.
Yeah, that's the. Yeah, so we can catch a Heathrow Terminal 2 and 4 because they're gonna pass through. Basically, everything is gonna pass through except Reading. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, wow.
I'll just get the picture from you.
Looking gorgeous. Burberry. What a mess. Ah,
Burberry.
I'm gonna order now.
This is my whole salad here.
Louis Vuitton.
How much mess do we need to work?
4 more years.
My gosh. Oh, Louis Vuitton. Versace over there. Wow.
I think so. My first was I kind of wore it like this.
Hey now, mate.
In the car there. Yeah. It is. Everything is so festive in here. Holidays in the